Hi, my name is Forum and I have cleared the written component of the physiotherapy competency exam in the first attempt. I did my bachelor's degree in India, and to pursue master's in kinesiology, I moved to Canada on the study basis. Later on, I knew that that course was not enough for me to become a fully licensed therapist in Canada. So I took up Study Buddy, which was necessary for me to get the guidance and the mentorship to clear the written component of the exam. With Study Buddy, I paid for the PCE written course, and later on, in a day or two, I got the access of their student portal, which included a wide range of resources, be it from books to the PowerPoints to the lectures, the pre-recorded lectures, live classes, and whatnot. It also had 5 mock exams, which was very beneficial for me to get through all the topics and all the rationales, which helped me a lot in the later phase of the journey. Study Buddy has a wide range of teachers and mentors, and which particularly helps you to get through this big chunk of syllabus for necessary for the exam. To begin with, I can say Ankit sir's musculoskeletal and cardiopulmonary is fabulous. Like the way he teaches each and every joint, and other 3D anatomy lectures which he already has on the portal, that was very beneficial for me. That helped me understand each joint with so much of detail that I didn't have to open books to go through the same. He also takes up ethics class. If you enroll for the 5 ethics class, ethics, it is like I come from a different background, right? I come from India. It was completely different there, but when I have to understand the ethical scenarios here, those 5 ethics class helped me a lot. And then we have Pooja ma'am and Purvi ma'am's new multi-systems and non-systems, which was thoroughly explained by them, each and every detail and each and every point which was necessary for us to remember for the exam. And the tough part for me was neuro, but I took up Mayank sir's neuro lectures, and that helped me go through the whole book, whole scenario in such a detailed and story type way that in the last phase of the preparation, when I used to get bored, I used to study neuro. So that's how I went through all the subjects. Later on, when I was done with this big syllabus, I still wanted that personalized, care and personalized attention, and that landed me taking up the mentorship from Ankush sir. Ankush sir's mentorship helped me a lot. Like we had different set of Q&A sessions. First with Anisha ma'am, which helped me understand that there's not only what I have done till now, there's more to study, more to understand, and those Q&A helped me build confidence with each topic which I was studying. Later on, I had Q&A sessions with Ankush sir, and that was totally the game changer. Like I was still struggling with some topics and some scenarios, some ethical scenarios, but with his guidance and with his mentorship, that was really a smooth journey for me to finish the 4-hour exam in almost 3.5 hours. So the 3 tips I would like to give to the future PC aspirants would be, first thing is consistency. Just hit your desk every single day. Like don't miss a chance, be it 30 minutes or 1 hour. Just go, open books, go through the lectures, whatever helps you. If nothing, just go through the 3D anatomy lectures posted by Ankit sir, and that would help you in the end when you have to sit for a long time to prepare and to study. The second thing which helped me personally was making notes. Every time I watched a lecture, I used to make my own notes, and that really boosted my knowledge regarding the topic and helped me in the end when I had no time and just quick revision was needed. And the third important thing would be revision. Revise, revise, and revise every single day. Whatever is the topic you have studied in the whole day, just go through the bit highlighted points in the end, and that would really help you to get through this tough exam. I know it's tough, it's a bit difficult, but it's not at all impossible to crack PCE. And when you have study buddy and these wonderful mentors, you can go through get through this perfectly.